Hi everyone, and this is Mr. Kess again, here with another edition of Can You Make It, where we watch a video clip and figure out, did the person in this clip actually do the circle that they wanted to do, or did they actually fall? So this clip is from the Simpsons movie, and we'll play the actual movie clip for you guys. Okay. So notice with this little movie clip here, a little background here, Homer has to go around the ring of death, and if he does this, he earns himself a car, which is obviously good. The first few times he does it, he gets to the very top, and of course he falls on his head. It would kill a normal person, but since it's Homer, it's okay. By the way, if you ever did this, please make sure you actually wear a helmet. If we actually analyze this video, we're going to notice a few things. Number one, looking up, Homer Simpson, I found, is actually 6 feet tall, a little bit taller than I expected, and 6 feet tall is 1.83 meters. I took a screenshot of the movie, and I figured out that the ring of death is actually about 5 times Homer Simpson's height. So that would make the diameter of the entire circle 9.15 meters. And then because the radius is half the diameter, that would make the radius 4.575 meters. Also from the video clip, if I do a slow motion, I could tell that Homer does one complete rotation in roughly 0.75 seconds. So he's going around this entire thing in less than 1 second. So these two numbers right here are the really important ones to determine, should Homer have actually fallen off the sphere or did he actually survive? So here's my questions for you. The first one is to determine the minimum velocity needed to make it around the sphere. We know how to do this based upon the equations that we have. We also then need to compare it to determine the observed rotational velocity by looking at the period. We have the period, we have the radius, we can calculate the velocity to see how fast Homer actually did go about the circle. And then lastly, we need to conclude if Homer went fast enough to make it around the circle. So if our answer for 2 is bigger than our answer from 1, he should make it around. But if our answer for question number 2 is less than our answer from question 1, Homer should have actually fallen and not made it all the way around. Good luck, and may the Homer Simpsons be with you.